Hi, I'm Mark, and today I'm going to be talking about Meraki Insight. Today we're going to be specifically talking about web application health. So let's go ahead and look at the WebAppHealth page for the Meraki corporate environment. Using Meraki Insight, the MX appliance can track traffic associated with specific web applications. Deep packet inspection is used to identify the performance at both network layer and application layer. The first thing we're going to do is configure an application to track. Applications can be selected from a pre-configured menu, either by typing into this search bar. If I type in 365 here, I'm instantly presented with options of Windows Office 365 or Microsoft Dynamics 365. We can also find these applications by searching through the drop-down menus. Here under Productivity is Windows Office 365 again. Custom applications can also be configured. You can see here that we're tracking the New York Times under newyorktimes.com. We can also track by IP address. Once we've selected the application, we define thresholds from which the performance score will be calculated. These thresholds are per flow goodput. This is a measure of the maximum possible throughput based on latency and packet loss. And application response time, which is the HTTP response time minus any network latency. Using this information, a performance indicator is provided for the LAN, WAN and server. The dashboard provides a very simple, at-a-glance view of the quality of users' experience of the application across the organization. A red cross indicates that there may be an issue with the performance of specific applications for some users. We can see that for Google Drive, there may be some issues with the server across the network. By clicking on that application, we can see how each network is performing. And here we see that across the organization, users are having issue with the Google Drive server. By clicking on one of the sites, we can see some further information about how the users are experiencing the quality of that service at the individual site. So by clicking on the London Finsbury site here, we can instantly see that application problems have been detected, and some details of the fact that a slow server has been detected with an average response time of 770 milliseconds. By clicking on each of the tabs, we can gain further insight into the performance and usage at that site. So for instance, we can see the clients that have been using this application and a performance score associated with each client. The servers that have been used by those clients, the domains under which those servers fall, and the uplinks that have been used whilst accessing the service. So that's all about Meraki Insights today. For further information, go to meraki.cisco.com.